welding, cutting, cleaning, all in one machine. Meet the 5-in-1 laser welding machine. 5 modes, 1 system. Built for real work. Let's start with welding. Fast, stable, clean seams every time. Low heat input, less distortion, better consistency. Need cutting? Sharp edges. Smooth results? No extra finishing. For surface prep, this is where it shines. Rust gone. No chemicals, no damage to the base metal, just clean, controlled results. After welding, clean it up. Remove oxidation. Restore the surface. Make it look right. Need battery welding? This mode is built for it. New energy, lithium cells, battery modules, stable output, consistent welds, built for precision assembly. One machine, more possibilities. UMW Laser Solutions.